way they incorporate the different cultures of music in this space. So to have Tiana's Bayou Adventure, where you are moving through these different spaces of musical culture, is really a beautiful, wonderful thing.
Hello! Down here who can blow a horn and jam.
I'm almost there.
So pretty, isn't it? It's with the rain.
Wow, what I love most about the ride is it's beautiful. It's beautiful to look at. It's exciting. It's musical. I'm really excited. I am so excited. And look, my character is Mama Odie, and she's just featured in the ride. Every time I saw her face and my voice coming out of that animatronic, wow, that's all I can say.
My favorite part of seeing on Tiana's Bayou Adventure was the critters. I think that was so cool to see new characters for the story. I love that.
And just seeing Tiana for the first time, you're just like, that's my girl, she's here.
Those animatronics are amazing.
Amazing.
Any Disney fans, I think, any ride fans from around the world need to come and do it. It's such a great experience.
As a Louisianian, we hold our culture and all of the things that we love so close to our heart. So we're now knowing that we're going to come here and see it displayed for everyone to see. And then, you know, there's no feeling that matches. So whenever we get to share that love of, like I said, life, food, and music, and especially Mardi Gras with everyone year round, I don't think anything could be better.